If you're an expert or a consultant or a career person or freelancer or anyone at all who is looking forward to level up his game by providing certain kind of services, then the number one way for you to do that is by becoming an author. And the number one is to have and establish a certain form of authority. The fastest way to do that is to become an author. Now, if you want to become an author, the fastest way to become an author is to at least have an ebook, right? An ebook that will help you to establish your authority in a particular field, because you must have gone ahead and write an ebook that will solve one or two specific niche problem in a particular space. With that ebook, you can begin to start establishing your authority. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally right now create your own ebook in 24 hours, like within a day. If you are very, very slow, you can create it in a day. But if you are very fast, this can literally just take you within an hour, especially if you're an expert. You know what you're doing, you have the skills already, you know the technical know-how on how to deliver certain results for a particular challenge, then you don't have any problem. Now, this is what you do. First thing to do is this. If you want to create your own ebook, the first thing to do is to define your ebook topic. But again, even before you define your ebook topic, the major mistake that a lot of people make is that they assume that their ebook is going to solve one gigantic problem. No, an ebook is meant to solve one or two problems, right? In the piece of the puzzle, an ebook is just supposed to solve one or two problems, niched, a particular area that is a problem for people, not to solve the entire problem. So don't overwork yourself whenever you're trying to create an ebook. So define your topic. But when you're defining your topic, you need to choose a relevant topic. One topic, because usually you can have 2, 3, 4 ebook discussing different topics within a particular niche or within a particular area, and make sure you choose a relevant topic that you can use to engage your target audience. It has to be relevant. If not, it will not engage the right audience. Now, the moment you choose the topic you want to go with, because at this point you are choosing a topic that you know how to provide answers or solution for. You're not just going to choose a random topic because you want to choose. That is why you are doing that first. The second part now is conducting market research. Now, why are you conducting market research? The goal here is to validate the demand for the topic you have chosen. This will help ensure that there is a genuine interest in the content you plan to create. Don't go about creating content you just love, you want to create. Create content that people are looking for. Create content that solves problems for huge number of people in the marketplace. So now the demand here is going to help us to know if this topic is a topic that a lot of people are looking for solution for. And that is the kind of topic you want to go for. Trust me. You don't want to go for a topic that you don't have much people looking for answers to that particular topic. Once you have that done in the research, then we'll move to the next stage. In the next stage, what we'll be doing is to create a transformation outline. Now, when it comes to transformation outline, is what are the subtopics, what are the lessons that you are going to teach, that you are going to talk about in your ebook, that is going to solve that particular problem that you discover people are asking for during your research. And those topics, those little topics, sections, that is what we call the transformation outline. Your transformation outline is where the solution to the problem people are having is. So the moment you create your transformation outline, I can tell you, you are done with your ebook. That is the only work you need to put into your own ebook. So I will show you in a moment what next to do, because once you can come up with a transformation outline or guideline, you are done. So when you are coming up with a transformation outline, try to be as detailed as possible. Bring out all the solutions that you know will solve that particular problem. Even solutions that people will need to solve later, bring them out. Outline everything in detail. Organize yourself from beginning to the end. This is step 1, step 2, step 3. These are all the levels that people will go through if they are trying to solve this particular problem. That is what you do in your ebook. Then second thing is you organize the content logically. Don't just have random solutions and you place them in different angles. People will be confused about what to do, and it is in the presentation that they are able to take advantage and see the value of your solution. So your presentation must be well organized logically from this step, then the next step. If you can get this thing done, which is the transformation outline, the other part is as good as done. Because when it comes to gathering and creating of content, in this age, we don't need to do all that ourselves. That is where ChatGPT comes to play. At this point, you can literally give ChatGPT your transformation outline. Yes, give ChatGPT your transformation outline and use this prompt here. This is a prompt that you just need to use to get your ebook done for you right now. This is what I do when clients hire me to help them with their ebook. After interviews, after getting all the transformation outline from them, I go ahead and I use this prompt to create the ebook for them. Now, based on your transformation outline, you can write the content for the chapters, sections, and this is what you tell ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT, here are my transformation guidelines for so course, so ebook I want to create. Generate the content for me. Write, if it's chapter you want him to write or section, you say ensure that your writing is 1, clear, concise, engaging, and include relevant examples, case studies, and anecdotes to illustrate key points. This is the prompt that you will use. This is what I call the master prompt. From here, whatever ChatGPT give you, you can now further decide to work on it more. If it like, you can give it a little touch, but that little touch is basically 10%. Then the next thing here is you enhance with visuals. Once you have all these things done, take them to Google Doc, right? Take them to Google Doc and arrange everything the way you want them to be, right? Incorporate images and diagrams. Just use different kind of stuff you want to do with them. And again, here is where you have Canva. Canva will solidify the rest things for you in this particular stage. Put every of your writings, arrange them in Google Doc, move them to Canva. In Canva, you put all the relevant images and charts and make it look visually appealing for people that will read your ebook. Now, when creating your content, you must make sure that you maintain consistency. The same when you are using headline, the same font on the headlines, the same size. When in your body, the same size in the body. When you are using examples, the same size in the examples. You have different kind of images. Make sure color and everything match. That will create a cohesive and professional looking final product that will help you keep your readers engaged and invested in your content. This is how you create ebook. It's not difficult. People are just making it extra difficult as if it's not difficult at all. Follow these rules and you will create a fantastic ebook, either for a lead magnet or an ebook you want to sell. It does not even matter, right? Now, when it comes to design stage, after you have your images and illustration, which you can do yourself or you outsource it to somebody else to do. Choose a professional layout, how you want the branding, the title, all those stuff. I already talked about it. So then utilize the right format, headings, headlines, subheadings, bullet points, readability, all this stuff. You can do them on Canva and in Google Doc. I already explained them. You don't even need to give it to somebody, but if you don't have the time, most times people don't have the time. And because they don't have the time, they keep procrastinating what they could have done in 1 hour. And that is why they get to give people like us to do it for them. So not that it's difficult. It's not difficult at all. Incorporate branding elements, all the things, the logo you want to put, consistency all through in the design. Design is very, very important as it will keep your readers engaged all through the entire reading process. Now, once you are done with your ebook, the design is done, everything is done, you go for proofreading and editing. Now, let me tell you the truth. If you proofread your book without the designs, after the designs, some things will move. Graphic designer, if you're not the one designing it yourself, your graphic designer might go and shift some things out. So most times, I always advise, finish everything, put your graphic before you proofread so that you don't repeat the proofreading process. Proofread after the design, proofread everything, go through the entire ebook and read them, and you can edit and even see some of the designs that do not match. You can delete some of them, and that is what you do when you are proofreading. During the proofreading stage, definitely you review for errors. Number one thing you do is errors. Number two is to improve clarity and coherence. Make sure that everything moves together, the style and the overall quality of the content. Where you notice that you just have too much fluff, right? Maybe the quality of the content, you're just giving stuff that people can find on Google. That is not good. You just have to make sure that you put some quality stuff there that people will read and say, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So consider professional editing. In case you cannot do this yourself, just give it to somebody to do it for you. This part is one of the small parts that can destroy the entire work that you put in creating your ebook. So just give it to somebody, outsource it, and they will get this job done for you. You don't need to do everything yourself when you are creating your ebook. The next thing is your format and publish. So you format your ebook properly. Depend on the platform you want to use for your publishing. Choose the right file format according to the platform. If you want to go put it on Amazon Kindle, for instance, or some other platform like Gumroad, all you need is a PDF or an EPUB. Another format is Mobi. Test the ebook on different devices, ensure compatibility and readability. Some ebook, when you open them on laptop, they look very okay. You take them to your mobile phone, they are not okay anymore. You cannot even read them at all. So check all the stuff. Make sure compatibility is good before you publish your ebook on any of the platform you wish to publish them on. Now, when you are publishing, you need to think about distribution. Like I said, are you going to go with Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, or use Smart Words? Which one? Preferably, when you're starting, just go with Amazon Kindle. It's very straightforward and it's simple to do, and also it's free of charge. Some people ask how much to publish my ebook online. Amazon will not charge you anything, but if you are using a third party or you are using somebody like me to do it for you, I will charge you for my work, but Amazon is not charging. The only thing is Amazon is going to penalize you for putting an ebook that is not readable with errors, because nobody's going to buy the ebook and they will not show it to anybody. So make sure you are publishing ebook with high quality and pass all these things that I'm checking right now in this particular video. So the last part of your ebook, of you becoming an author in 24 hours, is to promote your ebook. The final touch and to promote your ebook. Now, the final touch here is about you creating a compelling cover. An attractive cover page will make people buy. It's just like a thumbnail on YouTube. If you have thumbnail that is not inviting, nobody will click. Nobody will even know the value you have to provide in your videos. The same thing, the cover of your ebook is very, very important. When you are a beginner, your ebook cover is more important than even what you have inside of the ebook, because nobody knows you. The only thing they can see is the ebook, and if the ebook is eye-catchy, it will capture people's attention, and as a result of that, a lot of people will get to read your ebook, and thereby you generate more sales and have authority to continue to speak about what you are speaking about in your ebook and provide more value as you go. So that is it. Compelling cover, very, very important. The next thing is to promote your ebook. You have to actively promote your ebook through various channels such as website, your email list, social media platform, engage with readers, share excerpt of your ebook, and encourage them to leave review to build momentum and increase visibility. That is the last part, the promotion stage. Once your ebook is done, especially if you're a brand new author, you need to be able to promote your ebook. And it's at this point I want to invite you to one of my program, the Core Product Creations, where I work with professionals like you, coaches, experts, career people, to go through this entire process for them. It can be an ebook, it can be a course you want to create, it can be your own cohort, your own coaching program. We sit down and we work together to create a program that will add value to people's life and also increase the status of your bank account. If that sounds like what you would like us to work together, click the link below to book for a free call, and also you can join my waiting list for the next program launch. Alright guys, the next video after this is going to be a walkthrough. I'm going to sit down live and create a complete ebook within 30 minutes or so, and you will see everything. Even you will testify the quality of this ebook. If that video is not yet out, just click the other thumbnail and watch the next video. See you in the next video guys. Ciao.